Yes, we look at the concentration of ethanol. When you produce your ethanol immediately, the concentration is 18%. The concentration is what? The one that you just produced from fermentation using yeast. I told us that fermentation normally takes place in the presence of microorganisms, is it not? So, in the presence of yeast, because of the ability of the yeast to stay to some certain temperatures or concentration of alcohol, fermentation, alcohol produced by fermentation has the concentration of what? 18%. Then when you do what we call fractional distillation of this alcohol, 18% concentration, you will now get what we call the rectified spirit, which has the concentration of what? 95, which has the concentration of 95. Now, if you continue to purify this one that has the concentration of 95% using what we call quicklime, you will now get an ethanol that has the concentration of 99.5%, and this ethanol is known as absolute ethanol. It's known as what? Absolute ethanol. You understand? So the one you produce by direct fermentation has concentration of only 18%. If you do fractional distillation on it, you will get ethanol that has the concentration of 95%, and that is known as rectified spirit. It is known as what? Rectified spirit. Then if you use quicklime and still continue to purify this rectified spirit, you get alcohol that has the concentration of 99.5%, known as absolute ethanol. Physical properties of ethanol. Number one, it is a colorless, volatile what? Liquid that has characteristic taste and smell. If there is kaka here now, you will get the smell, isn't it? And when you taste it, you will get the taste. It has characteristic taste and what? Smell, but it's colorless, you cannot see it. If you leave it, after some time it will evaporate. That's the meaning of volatile. It is a volatile liquid. Is that clear? It has a boiling point of 78 degrees Celsius, and it has no action on what? Litmus. It is soluble in water in all proportion due to the presence of the what? Hydroxyl group. You know that most organic compounds, they don't dissolve in water, but this one dissolves because of the presence of the hydroxyl group. Chemical properties. These are the major chemical properties. It burns in oxygen with pale blue flame, giving water and what? CO2. That is combustion. So burn in oxygen simply means combustion. Oxidation is when you oxidize it with oxidizing agents like potassium heptadichromate 6 solution. What will happen? It oxidizes to what? Ethanol. Esterification is when it reacts with acid to form esters. Formation of esters is known as what? Esterification. So when ethanol reacts reversibly with acid to form ethyl esters and water, you call it esterification. Then the next one is dehydration. When it, in the presence of dehydrating agents like conc H2SO4, conc tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, it forms ethane. So you can use ethanol to produce ethane. What are the uses of ethanol? Ethanol is an important solvent used to dissolve rains, varnishes, lacquers, soaps, and perfume. Ethanol, that thing that you people rub on your hand, what's it called? Cutters. Or nail polish. Cutters or nail polish. When you use ethanol, kai and place on it, it will dissolve, is it not? So it is used as solvents for what? Rains, varnishes, liquor, soaps, perfumes, dyes, drugs, flavoring extract, any of those things. Whenever you want to dissolve, all those things that you cannot dissolve in water, use kai, use ethanol to do what? Dissolve. It is the raw material used in the manufacture of many important components of many important compounds like what? Ethanol. You can see that when you oxidize ethanol, you produce what? Ethanol. Can you see that? So you can use it in producing ethanol. You can use it in producing ethyl ester. How? By doing what? Esterification. You understand? You can use it to produce ethoxyethane, trichloroethane, also known as chloride. It is used as a fuel on its own or when it is mixed. It is used as a fuel for what kind of motor cars? Racing cars and rockets. Do you know what racing cars are? You can use it in doing things like races like Formula 1 and all those things. You understand? Rockets that fly, you also use it as fuel for it. Because of its low freezing point, the freezing point of ethanol is minus 117. It is used as antifreeze in automobile radiators. You understand? So these are one of some of the uses. Another very important use is that it is used in alcoholic beverages. It is used in alcoholic what? Beverages like what? Beer, spirit. You can get that one down. I didn't write it, but that's one of the most important use. You understand? Of ethanol. It is used in alcoholic drinks. You understand? So very, very important. Know about the concentration, physical properties, chemical properties, and uses of ethanol. And that's where we come to the end of ethanol, the first aspect of organic chemistry. Thank you.